Good afternoon, everyone. It's Cheryl Ann, and I have another journal completed today. I've been working on it for a couple days, so I just finished, and I love this kind of rustic vintage style. I've been wanting to use this paper, the wood grain. So this is a envelope journal, and I did the signature a little different. I wanted to try something, and so it's a little different. I'll show you. It's 8.5 by 6. It's made out of one of the big 9 by 12 envelopes that I folded in half, and it has 14 sheets of paper, so it's 56 writing sides, and it's got two pockets here on the front and a pocket on the back where I've tucked in some journaling cards, and it's got all kinds of tucks and pockets and journaling cards. And I had this left over, and I didn't want to throw it away, so I made just a little. It's just a little. Well, it's not really little, but I had the digital. I had this left over, and so I put it on. Just a piece of, this is actually coffee dyed paper, so that'll come with it. It does have a tie on the front that's I actually tea stained the ribbon since it was like 75 degrees here today, and I'm calling this one Dreamer of Dreams. It has vintage flowers. It has a lot of daisies. I got that kit from, oh gosh, I'm going to have to look it up here. Centric. I love her work. I'm going to definitely buy some more of her digital kits. So there's a pocket here with a journaling card. And it, because I had the tie, the closure, I'm gonna have to trade hands here. Maybe not. Oh, there's another one here. Got the window open, so we have a little bit of street noise. So there's the other one, and then there's two in the back. So this is from her kit. Oh, I love daisies. I had one year where I had a whole front yard just full of them. And people would stop their cars and look. And all of the digitals are from her kit. So this is it's a little tuck there. And then I made some journaling cards for the other little tucks. There is a little bit of sheet music. Look at that. Isn't that just gorgeous? Oh, I just love it. This one has a couple little cards. There's a little writing paper. Like I said, it's all tea dyed. Oh, look at that. Got a variety of papers in it. There's a couple little. I did stamp all the little tags. They're all stamped. Aren't those just gorgeous? Oh, definitely gonna do another one like this. Not right away. And there's a little tag. Here's a couple little tags. Yep. And then this is the middle. What I did with the signature, I wanted to have it dangling down on the outside, so I started at the top. And then I went through the holes, and then I came back through the top here. So that's why it looks a little different. Aren't those just gorgeous digitals? Oh, gosh. It was so warm here, I was able to get like 60 sheets of paper tea stained today. So I'm glad I got that done, because it might rain tomorrow. The temperature's dropping like 11 degrees, and they said there's a 20% chance of rain. So I told Miss Ellie she has to wear long pants tomorrow. She wore shorts today, so we're going from 75 to 65. Some of these journaling cards have space that you can, like that one has a little tuck. So, not all of them, but some of them do. Oh, look at that one. Oh, almost looks like desert lupine. We have a lot of lupines blooming right now. There's another one. That's another little tuck one, so I put the little tag in there. Our wildflowers this year are just absolutely gorgeous. Every once in a while I grab my camera and I go for a drive. And this is the back. Now this one is not a tuck spot. This one is glued in, but it does have a tag. Oh, I have to change hands here. Hopefully I won't turn off my hopefully I won't turn off my camera. Yeah, there's a tag there. It goes all the way in. And there's a tag. There's a tag there. Another one. Goes all the way in. So it's kind of hidden. And then that's the back. And then this is the front. And then this is the extra little goodie that comes with it. I don't know. It's just, you know, if you wanted to write something or send somebody a card. So there she is. Dreamer of Dreams. I'm going to list her in my Etsy shop, which is Deserts and Beyond. I will put that in the description and also